Model, 69 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 EcoBlue 105ps low roof leader van body, white, panel van mileage, 120439 MOT, the 11th of September 2023 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 105ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. DPF sensor needs replacing, check the DPF it's all good, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, air con, cruise control EU status.